morning all. Welcome to Suryodaya program. Today, being a Saturday, we have so many performances are lined up. First, to start with a devotional prayer, Achyutam Keshavam by MSc student Shubham Agrawal. Thank you, Shubham, for your devotional prayer and your beautiful voice. Next, we have a singing performances by Hatim Murmana, our BCA semester 4 student. Thank you, Hatim, for your continuous support. And at last, we have a technical talk on Space Mouse by our MCA student, Dharm Monpar. Thank you, Dharm, for your initiative in technical talk. Hoping for your continuous support in Suryodaya program. Thank you so much.
कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा की जैसे बुलाते नहीं, तुम मीरा की जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्। कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह हम नचाते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह हम नचाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्।
वफा की हमसे तवक्को नहीं है, वफा की हमसे तवक्को नहीं है, मगर एक बार आज़मा कर दे, ज़माने को अपना बना कर तो देखा, ज़माने को अपना बना कर तो देखा, हमें भी तुम अपना बना कर तो देखो। तुम्हें दिल लगी भूल जानी पड़ेगी, तुम्हें दिल लगी भूल जानी पड़ेगी, मोहब्बत की राह।
Hello guys, my name is Dharma Monpara. Today I am going to discuss about the Space Mouse. Space Mouse is a professional 3D controller for manipulating objects in 3D environment. It has different modes of operation in which it can also be used as a two-dimensional mouse. It can control 3D camera angles and position for viewing the objects, enables the user to initially zoom, pan and rotate models. Now we are moving to features of Space Mouse. The first feature is Space Mouse is easy of use to manipulating objects in 3D applications. Second, 9 programmable buttons, adjust sensitivity and motion control to the user's preference. Third, fingertip operation for maximum precision and performance. Fourth, calibration-free sensor technology for high precision and unique reliability. Fifth, natural hand position elements fatigue. Now know the future scope of the Space Mouse. The graphic simulation and manipulation of 3D volume objects are virtual worlds and their combination. A mouse initiative controlling device would be a system that can be instructed by watching and initiating the user. This is called the Visual Space Mouse. Now we are moving to forward the Space Mouse uses. It is a standard input device for interactive motion control of 3D-dimensional graphics objects in up to 6 degrees of freedom. Space Mouse works with standard serial mouse interface without an additional power supply. Thus, flying an object on 6 degrees of freedom is done without any strain. Mainly disadvantages of Space Mouse is it is very costly in price. Thank you.